Hello everyone, welcome to Aloha Wana Live. I want to show you today, I'm going to be working on an exhaust leak. Um, I'm going to repair that problem. So I went to the Ace hardware store and I got a few things that I need. Um, so I'm going to be working on that, so hopefully you guys like it, and if you have any comments, let me know so we can start working on those things. It's really hot here in Maryland, um, so we're gonna try to do the best we can. Okay. So here I have the materials that I need for today. So I'm gonna show you so you can have an idea. I have a GMC 3500 6.5 liters, and it's great. I mean, it's working, everything's fine, except a few details here and there. So as you can see, so I'm in the process of converting it, so you can see it on my videos, and let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got these piece that I need, so it's gonna make sense more for you guys once I get underneath the bus. So I got one, two, leg wash, and nut. So hopefully, and I pray everything's gonna be just fine. So let's give it a try and see what happens, and I think it's gonna be just fine, but we'll see. So here I am underneath the bus. So as you can see, it's that part right there. So it's that one there. I got the rod that it has to embrace those two right there, and it's been kind of noisy when I take the doghouse away, which it looks like I'm gonna have to take the doghouse once again. I have better access all the way from the top, but I wanted to show you so you can have an idea. So what I'm exactly I'm talking about. So you can see it there. So let's work on it.